Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the rest of the parts of question number 2nd, and again you have to simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponents. So this is the first part we are going to solve. In this is minus 3 raised to power 4, so this can be written as minus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by this I have already discussed in the previous video, can be written as 5 raised to power 4 and 3 raised to power 4. Whenever there is a number and it's raised to power something, this power should be taken with both the numbers. Similarly here also raised to power 4 must be with minus 1 and this should be with minus 3, and this is 5 raised to power 4 and this is actually dividing 3 raised to power 4, so this is same as we can write 3 raised to power 4 with 3 or with 5, and minus raised to power something, minus 1 raised to power something should be 1, and because the power is even, so minus will become positive. Here the base are same, so we know that whenever the base are same, the power get minus, and this is 5 raised to power 4. So this is 1 multiplied by 3 raised to power 0 multiplied by 5 raised to power 4, and 1 and 3 raised to power 4. This is again very important, that whenever there is a number and its power is 0, so this whole term get converted into 1, and this is 5 raised to power 4, so this whole term get changed into 5 raised to power 4. So this should be the answer for first question. In second part also, base are same, so we have to subtract the powers, so this should be subtracted. We have to subtract this value from this, and this is one part, and this is multiplied by 3 raised to power minus 5. So further solving this is 3 raised to power minus 7, and minus minus is plus 10, and this is multiplied by 3 raised to power minus 5. Again this is plus minus is minus, 10 minus 7 is 3, so this will be 3 with positive sign because greater value has positive sign, and this will be minus 5. Again the base are same, but here they are multiplying each other, and we know that whenever they are multiplied, so in its power get added, so we have to add these two numbers because here it is negative, so this will become positive, so this will be minus 2 because plus minus is minus, 5 minus 3 is 2 with negative sign, and we have to write this in positive exponents. That means we have to convert this power to the positive. So we know that whenever there is a negative power and if you want to convert this into positive, shift this power to the denominator. So this should be the answer.